Hello guys, so today I'm going to make a calendar project with our new collection. This is gorgeous. Let's get Artsy. I think it's perfectly great for making calendar because it's bright and very positive. So I'm going to show you the steps here. So first thing first, we are going to have 5 pieces of square size here, and I am going to use cardboard because we want it to last for a year, and cardstock will be a little bit too thin to hold it, so I am going to use thicker. If you prefer cardstock, you can use 2 layers, but it will be more cutting and gluing. And because it is a little bit thick, it sure can fold, but will not be too comfortable. So I am going to use cardstock here in this size, and then to connect them together. So I'm going to fold them. And then to add on each surface first. Like this, to each for every surface. So we now have 4 pieces of this, and then I am going to connect this into the number 5 like this, right? Okay, so it will be like this. And then we will be working on the lid, which is a little bit bigger size, like this. And then we have 4 pieces of cardboard, same cardboard. And then I'm going to bind it with cardstock, just like before, into here. So we should have a lid like this. The next thing we need is to add a little bit of connector to bind here. Alright, this is 4 pieces of this size. So it will be like this. And then here we are. So you guess it right. It's actually is a explosion box. So it will be like this, the base. And then I am going to decorate the surface, both sides, in design paper and coming back. Okay, so I'm back with the decorate box. It's a lot of steps have been made, but I will explain. So this is the lid, okay? And I am just adding the design paper on both sides and then decorate with the butterfly, which is from this beautiful set here. And because I have used cardboard, so it is very sturdy, you see? Okay. And this is the lid. And then, as I explained, this is a explosion box, so it can be used like both sides here. And I am just taking advantage of this to use as a calendar because we have 12 months a year, and then we have 8 surface here. All right, but then there is 4 more what to do. So I am just going to make it a removable decoration. So what you need to make this will be this tiny pieces of calendar. It should be available in like dollar store, or you can print it out yourself because every country have different proper holidays. This one won't fit yours. And there are a lot of free material online. You just type in 2024 calendar and then you should be able to print it out. So if you don't, you should be able to find the most simple style in stationery store. And then obviously the size will be a little bit different. This is the size of this calendar is around 2 by 2. So I am making a base with 2.5 by 2.5, and then to put it on here. So because we need more we have more months than the surface, so I am not going to glue it. I want it to be able to take it out and move to another surface because we will have 1 month staring at the same surface. It will be very boring. So I make it removable. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make this. The first thing first is to add a base paper on the back. You can just put it like this, but it will be easier to adjust with a back paper here. So what I'm doing is that I add a paper clip on the back so that it would be able to put inside the belly band like this. Alright, and then the belly band is just 1 inch paper with the wine width here. So I will need some dimensions because you are going to put the paper clip on it, so you will need dimensions. Alright, so the position to glue it, I would advise not to glue it too over the top because remember you had a lid to put here. So if you put it too on the top, it will be a little bit difficult when you clip the calendar inside. So the calendar is like this, very random, very no need to precisely. I just take a cardboard to cut it, and then did I glue everywhere? Yes. Glue on the back of the paper. Okay. And because we want it to be strong, so we will use a washi tape or something to strengthen it. But you can use anything because nobody is going to look at the back of this. But if you are making this for a gift, you may want to use pattern paper instead of just a blank cardboard. Right. So this is the calendar with a clip. Okay, so we put it here. And then we close it. And then the belly band, we just glue. Oh, this is another one. This is the one we just glue. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little bit decoration. But remember your calendar, the size of your calendar. So this area is 3.5 inch, and this is 2.5, and this is 2 inch. So if you are doing it with different size, you will have to make a little bit difference for decorations. Alright, so you can either put it here or put it underneath, but it's up to you. So I found this design very inspiring. So I'm going to put it on the calendar instead on the base. This. So we want to put stuff that is bigger than the box, but beware, because this is an exposure box of both sides, so you will turn it like this as well. So if you put it over this length, it will be unable to fold. Alright, bear in mind like this. Other than that, it is absolutely whatever you want it to be. So pose it like this, maybe flowers on here, or something like this, right? Just a corner. So this will be the calendar box with removable calendar. So because usually we only need to look at like 4 months in a row, so I think you can just simply store the months that you don't need inside the box, and then close it. Okay. And then every month, when you are tired of this design, you can move it to the next corner, like that. I think it is fun and interesting to be able to have a interactable calendar. So I hope you like it. So if it is going to be a gift, you can put message into the back of the calendar, like a note here. And then if it is yourself, you can just pick the color of the month you like most, and it should be very personal and very special. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.